Good day, Madam and Sir in Hong Kong. My name is Jeruina Saldi, 32 years old. I am from the Philippines. I am a single mother. I have one daughter. She is 8 years old. I graduate Bachelor of Science and Computer Science. I'm third among 6 siblings. I have 2 sisters and 3 brothers. My first previous job was here in Philippines for 2 years. I am serving 3 members in the family, 1 couple with 1 kid, 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities are take care of the kid, cleaning the house, washing, iron the clothes, going to market, and cooking. Madam and Sir, if you hire me, I will consider your family as mine. I will continue working with you, not just 2 years, but in a long-term basis. As long as you like my service. Thank you and God bless.